How to track your transaction history on Zable. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to track your transaction history on Zable. So to track your transaction history, you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, you could go ahead and log into your Zable app on your device. And when you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. Now right on this page, you could go and look for an option that says transaction activity or similar in the apps menu or home screen. This is where you can typically find your transaction history. Once you're in the transaction or activity section, you should see a list of your recent transaction. This may include payment that you've spent or received, withdrawal, deposit, and any other financial activity you have performed using the Zable app. So depending on the app's feature, you may have the option to filter or search your transaction history. This can be useful for finding specific transaction or sorting them by date, amount, or transaction type. Now you could go ahead and review the transaction details and export or print the transaction history and check for any pending transaction. So that's how you can track your transaction history in Zable. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.